Hi, Eugenia here, and welcome to my HelloNews product review. So HelloNews is an actually very interesting product that will allow you to create news websites without any technical skills needed, and without any knowing the industry and all of that stuff. You will just be able to go into the dashboard of the product and create news websites from scratch, and you will be able to monetize on these news websites. If this is something you're interested in, please continue watching and I'll show you the demo of the product, how to actually create the website from the beginning to the end. And you're also going to see the real examples of the websites that were created using HelloNews, so that you can make your own decision if you like this product or not. But before we do that, let me go quickly to the bonus page and I'll show you the bonuses that you're going to receive if you decide to pick up the product using the link down below this video. So bonus number 1 is going to be free traffic frenzy. It's also going to help you with this product drive traffic to your news websites. Bonus number 2 is going to be Facebook Live Handbook. It's also going to explain to you how to drive traffic to your news websites using Facebook. Bonus number 3 is going to be Instagram Made Simple. It's also going to help you drive traffic to your news websites using Instagram. And bonus number 4 is going to be Lazy Profit Explosion. This is basically one of the methods on how to make money online, and I'm sure you're going to benefit a lot from this hack. And bonus number 5 is going to be all vendor bonuses. I'm going to show you a little bit later, but the vendor is also going to be providing the bonuses for you if you decide to pick up the front-end version of the software using the link down below this video. So now let's go actually to the sales page of this product. Let me show you here. So this is how the sales page for the product looks like. It does say here that it's breakthrough software, creates self-updating news sites, and drive 100% free traffic for passive daily commissions. You can see here, there is a launch discount of $2 off your purchase. If you enter Hello2 at checkout, this code, please don't forget about it if you decide to pick it up. And there is some good information here on the sales page explaining how the product works. There is a few screenshots of the money and commissions people were making from these news websites. Also, it's like 3 simple steps on how to start making money with this software. So of course you need to upload it and customize it and then drive traffic to your websites. It also gives you a little bit of examples here, and examples of such websites as Huffington Post and others, and how much they make per day. So as you know, they're also news websites, and that's basically the same business model. I'm sure you're not gonna be making this kind of money, but something smaller. And if you decide you really want to work this business, I'm sure everything is doable. And the really nice thing that the income is passive, because the news are going to be updating, without your interference, and all you just need to do is actually set up these websites and have them run and just drive traffic to them. And there's a lot of interesting information here, but you can check it out at your own time. I'm sure you're going to like the sales page. It has a lot of good information. But right now, actually, let's go to the product area, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is the dashboard. This is when you decide to pick up the software. This is how it's going to look when you actually log in. So this is the list of your websites that you created right here. To create your own website, you're just going to click here at the website. Let me go here quickly. So you're gonna put the website name here. You're gonna choose a template, logo, contact email, and about a little bit. You're gonna save it. Then you're gonna go and actually you're gonna start creating the posts that you want to post on your websites. You're gonna select a source here, as you can see. Then you're gonna select a category. country, and you're going to click submit, and then you're also going to choose the website here that you just created from the website list to add these articles to the website. Then also there is a lot of interesting information here, like YouTube to posts, and you can manage your articles right here. And also there is an ads manager right here for you, and there is also a nice training right here. All of the training is in the videos, as you can see, which makes it really useful. You know, you can just go, and if you have any questions, you can just follow, you know, the descriptions here, and you're going to be able, you know, to create posts in the YouTube and all of that other information. So basically it's going to explain to you how to set up your website step by step. Support is right here, and the bonuses are right here from the vendor. Let's quickly look through them. There is actually a lot of them, but as you can see, you will be able to access them through your members area. So just let's take a look at a few of them. So it's AMZ Layer Builder, right here, Sochi Traffic Pro, Amazon Finder, Traffic Pro also, and some other bonuses. I'm just gonna quickly scroll through them. So they're right here, a lot of them, as you can see. But right now, let's actually take a look at the websites that were created using this program. So this is the example of one of them. As you can see, there are news here, and like posts on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and there it is. That's the website. That's the one. Then there is another one, but of course you're gonna change the logo here. It's not gonna be HelloNews, and as you can see here, just the news articles here as well. And the third one is looks like this. It's just different templates that you can choose. That's why they look a little bit differently, but other than that, it's basically just the news websites. So right now, actually, let's go back to the product, and I'm gonna put on the short 3-minute video for you that's going to explain to you how using this software you're going to create the website, you know, from step 1 until it's actually finished to the last step. And then I'm going to come back and explain to you how much the product So hopefully you liked the software, you liked how it looks, and you understood that it's actually not very difficult to use it, and you really don't need any technical skills to start using it. So I just wanted to quickly look through the prices with you. So the front-end version of the software, the one that you saw in a demo, is going to be $18.50. Don't forget that you will be able to get this $2 discount if you enter the Hello2 code. The upsells are optional, but if you decide that after using the front end, you decided that you want to pick up the upsell, it's completely up to you. There are a few upsells. Upsells number one is going to be unlimited version. It's going to be $47. I believe this regular front end version is going to be limited to the number of websites you will be able to do. So if at some point you decide that you want more websites available to you, so unlimited version is going to be $47 extra. Upsell number two is going to be pro version. It's going to be $37. You see, you will be able to get 300 additional premium news sources with this version. Upsell number two is going to be traffic VIP. It's going to be $47. As far as I understand here, you will be able to get more traffic sources to your websites. And upsell number four is going to be $67. It's going to be done for you sites. So it's going to be 20 completely done for you viral news sites built for your customers. So this is basically the fast way for you to start. If you decide that you want the vendor to do it for you, it's completely optional, but you can choose to do it. But as you can see, all of these updates, upgrades are completely optional, and you can just go with the front-end version of the software, which is $18.50. You're still going to get all of the bonuses from the vendor and from me right here if you decide to pick up the front-end version, and then you can decide if you want an upgrade or not. So hopefully you liked this review. If you did, please give me a like. It really helps my channel. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. If you decide to pick up the product, use the link down below this video. Thank you very much again for watching, and I'll see you